Welcome. Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation, Sacred Stillness, a Reiki reset. This is your moment to return to yourself, a space for stillness, softness, and subtle healing. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Allow your body to settle. Let your eyes close. Let your breath guide you inward. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your belly relax. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. You are safe here. You are grounded here. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Gently scan downward. Your face, your throat, your chest, down through your arms, your belly, your hips, your legs, all the way to the soles of your feet. Allow every part of you to soften. Place your hands over your heart or your lower belly, wherever you feel called. This is your sacred space. Now repeat silently or aloud. I invite Reiki energy to flow through me, to soothe what feels tired, to realign what feels off, to fill me with light, ease, and calm. Visualize a gentle white or golden light entering through the crown of your head. It flows through your body, slowly, softly, lovingly. Anywhere there is tension or heaviness, this light brings peace. Anywhere there is noise, this light brings quiet. Let it pool around your heart. Feel it pulse outward with every breath. Breathe in ease and breathe out what no longer serves. Allow yourself to sit in this sacred stillness. Even if your mind wanders, return to your breath. Even if it's only for a moment, rest here. And now gently return to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring your awareness back to your body. One more breath in and out. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this softness with you. You've realigned with your energy. You've come back to your center. Thank you for being here. You are held. You are whole.